So you want to include videos and graphics into your live broadcasts. There are 3 ways to do this with BeLive. Hi, my name's Karen. I'm the host of Thriving Talk, and today I'm going to walk through those steps with you. So are you ready? Let's get started. So first, I'm going to bring up my screen just so you can see what's going on with my BeLive. So you're going to see a screen within a screen. So don't worry about that. So let me just get that a little bigger here. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the left here, and you're going to see the media icon. You want to click on that. Here you're going to see 3 different options. So if you click on upload, this is where you can upload anything on your desktop. So let's say I want to upload this graphic of baby feet and parents' hands. It's going to now be in my staging area, and then I can move it to my stream, and there it is. Now I can rearrange things however I want, and any picture I can upload. It's really neat. Okay, so let's try something different. Let's go to the media and upload a video. So I uploaded this one called balloons. So depending on what you're talking about, you might have different videos you want to bring in. So I move this to my stream, and I will just hide that for a minute. I'll be down in the corner, and then I just push play, and there's the video. Pretty sweet, right? Okay, so how I did that to play that is I just went down to the staging area, and see this little play button? That's just where I pushed play to make the actual video go on. So yeah, that's how you do that for a video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this other option. You click on YouTube, and it wants you to put in the YouTube link. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to YouTube. So there's my YouTube, and I am going to get my URL for one of my videos. So how about we do this one, how to widget. So I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to get the URL, share, copy, and I'll close that. And I don't need that anymore. I'll go into media. Are you following me with all this? Okay, so now we're going to go to media, click on YouTube. Now that I have the link, I'm going to paste it into the box there, and I'm going to push to staging. Now you're going to see it come up right here. I can add it to my stream, and there we go. Now if I push the play button on the screen, it starts playing the video. So that's another way to do that. Pause it, and let me show you how you can get media from Facebook. So I'm going to bring up the desktop again, and let's go over to media on the left. You're going to go to Facebook. Now it's on Facebook albums, but you can see that there's all these different options down here: mobile uploads, timeline photos, profile pictures, Instagram photos, cover photos, BeLive images, BeLive TV, different albums and categories that I have. So let's say I want to bring this picture of this crazy hill we had years and years ago. So I select the picture, I add the image, and there it is down here in my staging area. I push it to the stream, and there we go. So those are 3 different ways that you can bring media into your live broadcasts. So I hope that has been helpful. Let me know in the comments. Remember to subscribe to Thriving Talk to see more like this and other topics for thriving in our lives. Well, have a great day. Until next time. Bye.